Screencastify. If you don't see the Screencastify icon on the top of your browser, you're going to click the little puzzle piece, and you'll scroll down until you find it. And you're going to want to make sure that the little pen is highlighted blue by clicking it, and that'll make sure it sticks up there on your web browser. Okay. When you're ready to discuss your current weather and your forecast, you're going to click on the icon at the top. You're going to make sure your microphone is highlighted and that it's picking up your sound by looking at this bar. You can turn on your webcam if you choose to. That'll just include a video of your face along with your other recording. And when you're ready, you can click record. The next step is to choose your window. On a Chromebook, you're only going to have one window. If you're using a computer that has multiple screens, make sure you choose the correct screen. So choose your screen, click share. You'll have a 3-second countdown. If you'd like to hide this bar down here, you can click hide. Clicking stop sharing will stop your recording and cause you to have to start over. So I'll click hide. And then if I want to, I can pause my recording. That allows me to just collect my thoughts. I don't have to worry about recording a whole recording all in all one big shot. Okay. When I click play, it's just going to resume my recording where I left off. Choosing the pen, I can choose a color by sliding this wheel, and that gives me some inking if I want to do some circles or draw an arrow, things like that. Okay. Also, feel free if you want to pause before you draw your inking, so you can pause your video and then highlight what you want to highlight, and then play to discuss and record your voice while you're doing that. Okay. There's also an eraser for, of course, erasing. Okay. I suggest that if you're going to erase, do not make your viewers watch you erase. Go ahead and pause, like I did not do, and then once you're done erasing, start your video, and that way you don't have to bore your audience by watching you make all of these erases while you're recording. Okay. When you're done, you can press pause, and when you press stop, that'll stop your video. Your video will then eventually load in another tab up here, just like it did, and it's going to allow you to watch your video. It'll default to being muted. You just click this box to unmute it. I strongly suggest clicking up here and titling your video. Okay, something that you'll remember and your teacher will know. Then the last step is you're just going to click copy shareable link, and that is the link that you will then go into your data, and paste it. Sorry, I had the wrong one right there. That's going to go right here. You just click and then paste, and that link is going to be there for your teacher to see.